Most people spend their entire lives waiting for the perfect moment to start, but the truth is, the perfect moment is a lie. You are currently trapped in a cycle of your own making, and the scary part is, you don't even realize it. Today, we are going to strip away the excuses and look at the raw reality of why you are stuck and how to finally break free. First, let's talk about the dopamine trap. Your brain was designed for survival, not for success. Every time you pick up your phone to scroll, you are flooding your brain with cheap dopamine. You are training yourself to be impatient. You are training yourself to avoid anything that feels slightly difficult. This is the single biggest reason why you can't focus on your goals for more than 10 minutes. You have literally rewired your brain to hate the process of growth. But there is a way out. It starts with radical honesty. Stop blaming your circumstances. Stop blaming your boss, your family, or your situation. The moment you take total ownership of your life is the moment everything changes. It is painful to admit that your current life is a result of your past choices, but it is also empowering. Because if you created your current reality, it means you have the power to create a new one. Let's talk about the myth of motivation. People think they need to feel inspired to work. They think they need to wait for a sign or a spark of energy. That is a dangerous mindset. Motivation is a fickle feeling, and it will leave you the moment things get tough. What you need is not motivation. You need discipline. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you absolutely do not feel like doing it. It is about showing up on the days when you are tired, when you are stressed, and when you just want to quit. Now let's discuss the 20-minute reset method. If you feel overwhelmed, stop everything. For the next 20 minutes, disconnect from all digital noise. No music, no phone, no notifications. Just sit in silence. Your brain is not built to process the massive amount of information you feed it every day. You need this silence to let your thoughts settle. After that, take a piece of paper and write down the one thing that is causing you the most anxiety. Don't think about how to solve the whole problem. Just write down the one single action you can take in the next 10 minutes to move that needle forward. Consistency is not about doing huge things every single day. It is about doing the small things, even when they seem insignificant. The person who wins is not the one with the most talent. It is the one who refuses to stop. When you fail, and you will fail, you must treat it as data. Failures are just lessons on how not to do something. If you can change your relationship with failure, you become unstoppable. As we look at 2026, the world is moving faster than ever. If you are still doing what you were doing a year ago, you are falling behind. You need to upgrade your skills, upgrade your environment, and most importantly, upgrade your mindset. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, not people who comfort you in your stagnation. Comfort is the enemy of progress. Remember, you are one decision away from a completely different life. But knowing this is not enough. You have to execute. Most people will watch this, nod their heads, and go right back to their old habits. Don't be that person. Take one small action today, just one. Do it now, not later, because later usually turns into never. Your potential is limitless, but your time is not. Start today. Choose your future over your comfort. Success is not a destination. It is a way of living. And you have the power to start living that way right now.